Hi, I'm Blake Wishar, editor for Fantini Research. We're at Shark Trap's booth today with Dino DeGregorio, partner. And Dino's going to show us what Shark Trap has to offer at this show. Let's take it away.
Perfect, thanks Blake. No, we appreciate you guys coming by and seeing the shuffler. You know, what we're showcasing here at the show is our Super Shuffler. So the Super Shuffler does two things, right? We handle single and double deck blackjack, and we also handle what I'm going to show you here, which is our novelty mode machine. So we handle all the popular carnival games in the casino. What I'm going to demo for you here though is set for 3-card poker. So all we have to do is put the deck in, and really what we're highlighting this year, Blake, is the fact that we tell you right out of the gate that you have 52 cards. So that your deck is good to go, or we don't actually initiate the shuffle. So I'll demo what happens when we don't have 52 cards. But in this scenario here, as you can see, we're always dealing to the felt, so the dealer doesn't have to go into any well. We eliminate hole carding, which is a big security feature for us. And let's say in this scenario I only have 2 players. If I'm the dealer here, I tell the machine that I am done dealing, and I take the dealer hand, and it dumps the rest of the stuff. So we have a random selection for the cards here, but for speed purposes, we take the rest of the deck and we just dump from the bottom of it. Obviously the rest of the deck comes out, and I'm good to go from there. The machine will open back up, and we're back ready to go again. Now, if for whatever reason I leave a card out, which happens every now and then, if a card gets left out, the machine will automatically tell us, it should tell us, that we are short a deck, and it'll kick us an error. The other important part for our machine is that you cannot bypass that error, right? So once it gives you that error, you actually have to clear the machine out, right? So as you can see here, we got our little error note, but if I was a dealer and I wanted to bypass it, if I hit that there, the machine errors out for us, gives us a red letter, and we're good to go. So I actually have to remove the deck, home out the machine, and square it back up. So the other important part is, you know, we're so compact. The machine only weighs 8 pounds. So we're so compact that there is no way to lose a card in this machine. There's only 2 places the cards could be: in the pre-shuffle bin or here in the post-shuffle bin, right at the end of this. So there's nowhere else for them to be. The other thing that we're highlighting is how easy it is to service our units, right? So today, you know, our units have rollers and cameras just like the current product that's out there, but today techs have to come out to do that, or techs that are on site actually have to service those units. They take them apart, they clean the rollers and all that stuff. What we do is we provide the operator with a cleaning block, and we provide them with some cleaning solution. We put a couple spritzes on the cleaning block, then we throw that in, and the machine knows that it's in cleaning mode. So what will happen is, door will close, this carriage will move forward, and those pads, they just roll right above our rollers. We do 2 passes, and then we open that door back up and reintroduce the cleaning block. So super easy process for the operator to do themselves. They decide that they want to open up a table game before, they're going to do the wash and count the cards and everything that they need to do for their protocols. You throw that cleaning block in there, and you're ready to go. So very, very easy process for the operators, and you know, we think that this will really benefit a lot of the pain points, right, and address a lot of the pain points that they see today, which is really what we tried to do when we developed this deal. So we also, you know, we're currently, as far as production models, we're currently in production with 1,000 units right now. Those units will be ready for placement in January. We're GLI approved, and we're really ready to go out into the market, right? So we're here in Aces Up's booth. Aces Up Gaming is our distributor. So what we're really kind of trying to demonstrate to the operators today is that we are now able to come in with the games that Aces Up has, the progressive system that they're developing, and our shuffler. We're able to go into a casino and offer a complete solution, which in reality they haven't had in a long time, right? To be able to replace all of the product on their table game floor, and so we're really excited about that.